In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom page break in Google Sheets. Let's get started by opening Google Sheets. You can do this by navigating to your Google Drive and selecting the sheet you want to work with. If it's already open, that's one less step for you. Once you have your sheet open, the next thing you'll want to do is shift your focus to the printing process. Over in the top left corner, click on File, and then scroll down a bit until you see Print and give that a tap. This will open up the Print Settings menu where you can customize several of your printing options. Here, you'll see a new world of possibilities with how your Google Sheet can be arranged when printed. Make sure you take a moment to explore these options, but our main focus today will be on page breaks. Now, look towards the right under the Pages and Layout section, and you'll notice an option for Page Orientation. Here, you're going to select Portrait. Portrait orientation is great for documents that are more text-heavy or when you want to make the most out of a longer layout. Portrait is usually my go-to setup, but feel free to choose whatever makes sense for your data. In this next step, look for Set Custom Page Breaks. It's usually somewhere near the bottom of the Print Settings sidebar. Go ahead and click on it. This feature allows us to manually set where each page ends and the next begins when printing. Custom page breaks can give you more control over how your data is presented and ensure that important information isn't split awkwardly between two pages. Once you've clicked, you'll enter into page break mode. Here, you'll see your sheet sliced into sections based on where the software currently thinks the breaks should be. What you need to do is adjust these to your preference. Simply drag the blue lines to where you'd like the breaks to appear. You can drag them up or down, left or right, depending on how your sheet is laid out. Don't be shy to experiment. It might take a few adjustments to get it just right. When you're satisfied with the placement of your page breaks, look for the Confirm Breaks button, often found towards the middle or upper section of your screen. Clicking this will lock in your changes. Next, hit Next to proceed to the final stages before you print. You're almost there. From here, follow through the remainder of the print dialog as suited to your needs. You might double-check page sizes or other settings if necessary. Finally, when you're all set, go ahead and proceed with printing your document. Not only have you set custom page breaks, but you've fine-tuned how your data is showcased. That's all for today, folks. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.